everybody, so welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook chicken oyster sauce. So first of all, we stir fry the ginger and the garlic. Mix well. Oyster sauce. Mix well. Then add in some water. Mix well. Okay, cover it for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Let it cook. Wow, smell nice. So mix well.
So nice smell. And nice smell. What smell? What?
Nice smell there. Chicken oyster sauce. Okay. So this one is halfway cooked already. So I want to put the cukup rasa. Okay. Mix well.
Ah!
Again. So another 5 minutes. So we cut to put it in the chicken later. So I cut it. Okay. Nice smell. So this is the one already cut. Daun bawang dyan na. Fresh. So, okay. Look at that. Nice smell. So, want to test it first? How to test? Not bad already. You can put a bit of 7 minutes. About 7 minutes. Okay. I think it's cooked already. This one is Bryson favorite. This one. He like oyster sauce soup chicken. Yeah, look at that. Test. Test, you know? Not that ready. This is oyster sauce. Chicken oyster sauce. There. Ooh, nice smell. I want to test it first whether already masak or not. Test the chicken. Nah. Mantap. I think we wait another 3 more minutes lah to be sure because they got the thick part of the chicken there. Another 3 more minutes. So we cover it first for 3 more minutes. Okay. So the chicken cooked already. Chicken oyster sauce. Chicken oyster sauce. I want to double the plate first.
Double the plate? Okay.
Okay, double the plate.
Not good, baby.
Smell nice, huh? Anything that cook with oyster sauce, really nice, huh? And ginger. Oyster sauce and ginger chicken, this one. Okay. So, put my daun bawang for garnish. So look at that, guys. Look at that. Mantap. Chicken oyster sauce with ginger. Okay. And my next recipe is patola with egg. So we stir fry the garlic with anchovy. In the egg. Wait until the egg cooks. Okay, so we add in water. And then we add in the patola. And mix well. Oh, jatuh. So mix well. So now we just wait until the patola cooks. Add in some asam. Patola with egg. Test it first. Not enough test. Finish already. Oh, cukup rasa. Need to buy. So this one last one. We got salt there. No, enough that and salt. Enough there already. Chun. Cook already, soft already. So ready to serve. Okay. Off fire. Wow, look at that. So this one is soup patola with egg. Okay. Hey guys, so our dinner is ready. Just a simple dinner for tonight. Ginger chicken with oyster sauce. Cooked with oyster sauce. This one is patola soup with egg. Hello everybody. So now we want to have our dinner. So just now I cooked ginger chicken with oyster sauce and also patola soup with egg. Just a simple menu for our dinner. Okay, so now we want to eat. I want to take the chicken with ginger.
With ginger. Chicken and soup.
Chicken soup, yes. And ginger, oyster sauce. Okay, and this one is patola with egg. So big the egg then. Let's try the egg now. The soup still hot, we have to use spoon. Try the chicken.
This one is so
Mmm, nice.
nice.
Mmm,
Nice.
mantap.
Mantap ini.
Mmm, very hot.
Not hot. It's hot, I think.
This one now is patola soup with egg. And then this one is the black and pepper. This one ginger chicken with oyster sauce, cooked with oyster sauce. Okay guys, we want to eat first. So thank you for watching my video, my cooking video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, Jessica JVST. Bye bye. Want to eat? Hungry already. Okay. Okay,
Thank you
hungry.
for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.